Sea Triton, a name of great prominence in the U.S. drone industry, a name intertwined with a significant event and an international tension, a conflict with the United States of America on one side and the Islamic Republic of Iran on the other. The mission of this stealthy, colossal drone was to conduct reconnaissance on Iran's sensitive facilities and gather intelligence on military activities near its southern waters. However, this operation never reached completion. This maritime reconnaissance version, designed for the U.S. Navy, was set to take over part of the P-3 Orion's mission and operate alongside the P-8 Poseidon. Initially known as the RQ-4N, this version was renamed MQ-4C in 2010. It features a payload capacity of 1,450 kilograms for reconnaissance equipment. One of its key differences from the Air Force variant is the AN/ZLQ-1 spherical electro-optical thermal imaging system under its nose. Additionally, it is equipped with the AN/ZPY-3 synthetic aperture radar, SAR, a distinctive feature visible as a bulge under its body. Global Hawk's role. Among the advanced tools used by the United States in these operations, the RQ-4 Global Hawk held a special place. Built by Northrop Grumman, it is one of the world's most complex and advanced drones, the product of 2 decades of research and development. The Global Hawk's unique airframe and extended wings provide a flight range of 14,000 kilometers without reconnaissance equipment and a flight endurance of 28 hours. It can conduct aerial patrols at altitudes of 18,228 meters at a cruising speed of 575 kilometers per hour while carrying a 900-kilogram reconnaissance payload. The incident on June 20, 2019. In the early hours of June 20, 2019, the Global Hawk took off from the Al Dhafra Air Base in the UAE. This base, a key hub for U.S. Air Force operations in the Persian Gulf, played a significant role in reconnaissance missions over southern Iran. After takeoff, the drone moved along the waters of the Persian Gulf, entering an area that Iran considered its airspace. In 2019, tensions between the United States and the Islamic Republic of Iran reached one of their highest points. The U.S.'s withdrawal from the JCPOA nuclear agreement, the imposition of unprecedented economic sanctions, and the increased military presence of Washington in the region had made the Middle East more volatile than ever. Under such circumstances, the U.S. bolstered its military and reconnaissance activities in the southern waters of Iran and the Persian Gulf. Aircraft carriers, fighter jets, and advanced drones constantly monitored the area. But why was the Persian Gulf so crucial to the United States? This region is not only one of the world's main energy transit routes, but also holds immense strategic significance due to its proximity to the Strait of Hormuz and vast oil and gas reserves. Any threat to U.S. forces' security in the area could jeopardize its dominance and hegemony over the world. How Iran intercepted the RQ-4. In the early hours of June 20th, Iran's third Khordad air defense system intercepted the Global Hawk near its borders. The third Khordad system, an Iranian-made platform, is capable of detecting and destroying high-altitude, long-range targets. With a single missile, the system struck the Global Hawk in mere seconds. As Iranian operators tracked their missile's trajectory, U.S. personnel monitored signals from their advanced drone. Neither side could have anticipated that in moments, the $200 million drone, equipped with sensitive technologies highly coveted by powers like China and Russia, would vanish from radar screens. The drone was downed near the waters of Hormozgan province in Iran, and its wreckage was scattered across the area. Iran later displayed parts of the aircraft, including sections of its fuselage, computer systems, and most notably, its SAR radar. Following the incident, both nations presented differing accounts. The U.S. claimed the Global Hawk remained in international airspace throughout its flight, asserting that its downing was a blatant violation of international law. Iran, however, maintained that the drone had entered its airspace and ignored all warnings. Tehran defended the action as a measure to safeguard its sovereignty and prevent unauthorized incursions. This event highlighted deep disagreements between the two nations regarding airspace sovereignty and international aviation laws. From Iran's perspective, the extensive U.S. military presence in the Persian Gulf posed a direct threat to its national security. Conversely, the U.S. viewed its reconnaissance missions as essential to ensuring maritime security and countering potential threats from Iran. Aftermath and broader implications. The downing of the Global Hawk marked one of the most sensitive moments in recent U.S.-Iran tensions. It demonstrated how quickly regional disputes could escalate into international crises. Although the incident did not lead to a broader military confrontation, its repercussions were felt in both countries' foreign and military policies for months. The Persian Gulf remains one of the world's most contentious regions, with the future of U.S.-Iran relations in the Iranian armed forces stated in a declaration that the American drone was targeted using an indigenously produced defense system called the Third Corded Air Defense System. The Third Corded Air Defense System is one of Iran's most advanced defense platforms, developed and manufactured by the country's defense industries. As part of the Rod missile defense family, it is specifically designed to counter aerial threats, including aircraft, drones, cruise missiles, and other airborne targets. The system has the capability to engage high-altitude, long-range targets, playing a critical role in safeguarding Iran's airspace. This system is equipped with a multi-purpose radar featuring active phased array technology, capable of detecting and tracking multiple targets within a range of 50 to 75 kilometers. The Third Corded can track up to 4 targets simultaneously and engage them concurrently. It employs upgraded versions of TER missiles, with an operational range of approximately 100 kilometers and an altitude ceiling of up to 27 kilometers. Known for its rapid mobility and ability to operate independently in various conditions, the Third Corded system is highly effective in critical and urgent missions. It demonstrated its capabilities in 2019 during the successful downing of the advanced U.S. RQ-4 Global Hawk drone. This achievement not only showcased Iran's technological prowess, but also sent a significant message to international rivals about the country's indigenous air defense capabilities. This air defense system was designed in the early 2010s as part of Iran's efforts to achieve self-sufficiency in air defense. The development of this system began in response to increasing regional and global threats and to counter modern aircraft, drones, and cruise missiles. The initial stages of design and production were completed between 2010 and 2014, and it was officially unveiled in May 2014. In June 2019, the Third Corded system demonstrated its operational capabilities by shooting down the advanced American RQ-4 Global Hawk drone. Utilizing indigenous missiles such as Sayad and featuring the ability to intercept targets at long ranges and high altitudes, this system has become one of Iran's prominent air defense systems, showcasing the country's advancements in defense technology.